everybody. I know this video is way overdue. I got this package sent from YouTube, and I'm sure you guys know what it is. It looks like this. It has my name on it. I'm gonna open it up now. I'm very excited. Oh, it's just some foam. Oh no, look what's here. Oh, here's a letter from Susan, the CEO of YouTube. If you want to read it, take a screenshot. I'm not going to read it to you. Okay, but it says something like that you've reached 100,000 people subscribed to your channel. And here it is. The silver play button. Look at that. Mwah. I'm gonna take it out of the box, throw the box away, and here we go. 100,000 subscribers. Yoo-hoo! And thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And subscribe. Next, we need the gold button, and for that we need 1 million subscribers. So click subscribe and share. I'm gonna hang this up next to my other trophy. I need a trophy room, I guess.
We are #1.